See what we got. Oh, this is a little one. Whoa, this one looks really promising. Hey everybody, it's MrFloridaFlipper, and I just wanted to give a little introduction to this video. So I took you guys along with me to a storage unit recently. The first one was definitely a bust. Not a bust, I wouldn't say. We paid $10, and on Storage Treasures, the minimum fee you can pay is $10, so it ended up being a $20 unit. And we found a couple of things. I mean, for 20 bucks, it wasn't terrible. It wasn't that much items in the unit, so it wasn't a lot to clean out. I'll put some pictures over here of the unit, and so you can see what was going on with it. But pretty much the only things we really found was a big painting, which I'll put a picture of that. It's like almost 60 inches across, but it's just like not even a print. It's just like a decor piece. Not even like real paint or anything was used. Then we got a whole bunch of like sewing stuff, thread, which I have had a few offers on already, but it's like 30 different little cones of thread. Not a lot, like a big one, just like little ones. I have it listed right now for $25. So if I sell that, I'll get my money back pretty much. And the painting I put on Facebook Marketplace for $50. But yeah, so it was pretty interesting. There was a couple other things. A lamp was the main reason we bought that unit, and I will put a picture of that as well, and it's in the video. But for my first storage unit video, it didn't go exactly as I wanted. Fix my lighting there. But yeah, it didn't go as exactly as I wanted. I just wasn't really ready to film the video, honestly. I was with my cousin, and also we both had one of our children each, so yeah, it's kind of short. But we bought that unit specifically for the lamp, which I'll also put it here, and I'll also put what I found online of why I wanted to buy it. Basically because there was two on this website for $1,400. But when we got to the unit, the lamp shade was missing two of the rocks in it. But I still think we can sell the lamp itself for, $40 or $50. I don't really know if they are the expensive brand. I'd have to ask my cousin to check the bottom and just see if there's a name brand on it. I'd never heard of lamp selling for, $750 a piece or $700 a piece before, but I'm sure there are some out there. But yeah, so those were the main things I think we found in that unit. Was the thread. I think there was a couple other little things. I'm trying to look around and see. Oh, there was this toy car that I have listed for like $9. A few sold on eBay, but nothing major. So we'll definitely make our money back on the $20. I think we'll definitely make our money back on it, on the $20 unit. The other unit, the Carol Jenkins unit, we found a Billionaire's unit. We can definitely say mission accomplished for that. Unfortunately, it wasn't the greatest items. The grandfather clock, the chair, and the baby carriage, which all have pictures over here so you can see them. He actually took a picture of them in his garage once he got home and cleaned them up just very little. We're going to clean up the chair. It had a couple of stains on it, but the chair, he found out that it's an old chair, a decent brand. And he was thinking we could get like $600 for it. Probably used. We'll probably end up selling it for a few hundred. But once we do more research, I'll update you guys on it. But yeah, found a Billionaire storage unit. I mean, what else can you say but that? Too bad it didn't have like gold bars or anything like that. Just a little pieces of furniture. I'm assuming, for those of you that don't know, Carol Jenkins Barnett was part of the Jenkins family. She was the daughter of George Jenkins, I believe. Yeah, it was the daughter of George Jenkins. I think I said in the video she was the granddaughter, but she was actually one of the daughters of George Jenkins. She died a few years back, so I'm sure that it was just one of those things that she had some people move things for her, and it just got put in a storage unit and completely forgotten about. Like I said, it's a grandfather clock, a chair, and a baby stroller. Nothing major. Looking at the clock, it doesn't seem to be like a very high-end grandfather clock. It was missing the chimes as well, so it has the chains but not the things that make the noise. And also, obviously, it wasn't working at the time, but we know nothing about it. But other than that, it was in really great condition. It was really cool looking. Looking online, they go for like $300, $400. But I just don't know enough about them. It's something that we're gonna have to look into a little bit more. But yeah, so I'm just gonna play this little video, guys, for you. The storage unit, like I said, it's my first attempt. It's not the greatest. I didn't put it together the greatest. Definitely next time I'll make sure to have the camera set up, filming, opening the lock, opening the storage unit up, and then just kind of get in there. Probably be a little easier if I do one by myself, just because when we're there together, we both work and we're trying to get it done very quickly. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stick around and see the storage unit. Why I bought the unit, this lamp. I found some online that go for big money, but we'll see what it looks like. Hey guys, it's Mr. Florida Flipper. We're out here at the other unit. The first one, I didn't really take any video. It was pretty much a bust. We might be able to get our $20 back, but we're gonna go ahead and get in here. Now, I already saw something. It says C. Barnett on the chair, which if you know Florida or if you know Publix, she is part of the Jenkins family. Her name's Carol Barnett. So let's see if that really is, though. It's just something I told my cousin that maybe it was. Here's the unit. It's dark in here. But we got this thing right here. Kind of feels like, could be like a clock, like a grandfather clock. This is the Barnett C chair. That kind of made me think that. But then it's kind of dark back here, but I don't know. We got another chair. This is the chair. And then, oh, dude, I told you. Look at this.
What do we got?
Jenkins Barnett, bro. She's a billionaire. Well, she's dead, but she was.
There it is.
So it is.
She's the daughter of George Jenkins, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Or is she a granddaughter?
She's the granddaughter.
Granddaughter.
She's the owner of Publix. And this is a clock. Let's unveil it. Unveil it, bro. It's got to be a nice one because it's Carol Barnett.
Oh man.
Whoa, that is cool, bro. I got my cousin filming. This thing is cool. I was not expecting this though. It's a grandfather clock. We'll have to look that one up. Hopefully this is a good one. Unit.
Looking good. Looking promising.
Hopefully, we'll see. All right, so in that unit we found this Silver Cross pram. So it's got over here is the other part of it. It's like the wheels. When my cousin gets it set up, he'll take a picture, but it's got the wheels. This is like old style right here. Online, it's crazy, different prices. This is definitely like a little bit more beat up from some of the ones I was seeing, but you never know. But yeah, it's got this thing right here, Silver Cross. But yeah, we'll see. We're gonna leave the chair wrapped up, and he's gonna look at it when he gets home.
What all the rich babies rolling around in.
Yeah. But all right, we'll let y'all see it later. Mr. Florida Flipper, out.